Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show how to automatically delete your Telegram account if you stay inactive for 3 months using Telegram Web on your PC. This is a useful privacy feature that helps keep your data secure if you ever stop using the app. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Telegram Web. Make sure you're already logged into your account. If not, sign in using your phone number and verification code. Once you're inside, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. Click on those lines to open the main menu. From the menu, go ahead and click on Settings. This will take you to your account settings where you can control different features. Next, find and select Privacy and Security. This section contains all the important options related to your account safety and activity. Now scroll down until you see the option labeled If Away For. This is the setting that determines how long Telegram should wait before automatically deleting your account due to inactivity. Click on it and you'll see several time options. Choose 3 months from the list. This means if you don't log into your Telegram account for 3 months, it will be permanently deleted. After selecting 3 months, make sure to click Save to apply the changes. And that's it.